A budget is a plan. It's a roadmap for your money. It helps you track your income and expenses. You can identify areas to save and prioritize your spending. Like any plan, a budget needs to be realistic and align with your financial goals. Whether saving for a house, paying off debt, or planning a vacation, a budget helps you reach your destination. Budgeting is important for several reasons. It helps you achieve your financial goals and provides financial security. By tracking your expenses and identifying areas to save, you can free up more funds for your goals. Knowing where your money is going can alleviate financial stress. It gives you a clear picture of your financial situation, allowing you to prepare for unexpected expenses. Budgeting empowers you to make informed financial decisions. By understanding your spending habits, you can make conscious choices about your money. Budgeting promotes financial discipline and responsibility. This discipline can positively impact other areas of your life. Creating an effective budget starts with understanding your cash flow. List all sources of income and track your expenses diligently. Categorize your expenses, such as housing, transportation, food, and entertainment. Use a budgeting app, spreadsheet, or a simple notebook. The key is to be consistent and thorough in tracking your income and expenses. By understanding your spending patterns, you can identify areas to cut back and save more effectively. With a clear understanding of your income and expenses, set realistic financial goals. Define what you want to achieve with your money. Allocate your income to different spending categories, prioritizing essential expenses. Then, allocate funds towards savings and debt repayment. Start with small, achievable steps and gradually increase your contributions. A well-defined plan acts as a roadmap to your financial goals. It helps you stay focused and motivated along the way. Creating a budget is not a one-time task. It requires regular monitoring and adjustments to stay on track. Review your budget monthly or quarterly to see if you are meeting your financial goals. Be flexible and adjust your budget as your financial situation changes. If you find yourself overspending, reassess your spending habits. Look for areas where you can cut back or find more affordable alternatives. Celebrate your successes along the way to stay motivated. The 2020s ushered in a new era of budgeting. Technology has revolutionized the way we manage our finances. Budgeting apps and software make it easier to track income, expenses, and investments. These tools offer features like automated expense tracking and personalized financial insights. Online banking and mobile payment systems have simplified financial transactions. This digital transformation has made budgeting more accessible and convenient. The 2020s have been marked by economic uncertainties. Global events have led to market volatility and inflation. These factors impact personal finances, making budgeting more critical. A well-structured budget acts as a financial safety net. It helps you prioritize essential expenses and prepare for financial emergencies. By tracking your spending, you can create a buffer against rising costs. A budget empowers you to make informed financial decisions in uncertain times. The 2020s witnessed a significant shift in consumer spending habits. The rise of e-commerce and the sharing economy transformed consumption. Online shopping offers convenience and a wider selection. Subscription services require careful budgeting to manage recurring expenses. There's a growing emphasis on experiences over material possessions. Budgeting plays a crucial role in aligning spending with evolving priorities. Traditional budgeting methods emphasize strict adherence to a plan. The dynamic nature of the 2020s necessitates flexibility and adaptability. Regularly review your budget and make necessary modifications. Be open to experimenting with different budgeting methods. Remember, a budget is a living document reflecting your current financial situation. Picture this. You've crafted a budget outlining your financial goals. But then life happens and unexpected expenses pop up. Slowly, you find yourself straying from your plans. This is budget slippage, a common occurrence that can derail even the best intentions. Recognizing the signs of budget slippage is the first step towards regaining control. If these scenarios sound familiar, it's time to acknowledge budget slippage and take action. Budget slippage doesn't just happen overnight. It's often the result of underlying factors that weaken our financial resolve. One common culprit is the lack of a clear financial goal. Without a compelling reason to save, it's easy to fall prey to impulsive spending. Another major contributor is lifestyle creep. As we earn more, we tend to upgrade our lifestyles, acquiring new wants. Emotional spending is another silent saboteur of budgets. Unforeseen circumstances like medical emergencies can throw budgets off track. These situations highlight the importance of having an emergency fund. Once you've identified the root causes of budget slippage, take action. Start by revisiting your budget and making necessary adjustments. Explore ways to boost your income, like taking on a side hustle. Consider using a cash envelope system for discretionary spending. Allocate a specific amount of cash for each category. Once the cash is gone, no more spending in that category for the month. Seek support from a financial advisor or accountability partner. An objective perspective can provide valuable insights and motivation. A financial professional can offer personalized guidance. Mastering budgeting is about cultivating financial discipline. Set realistic financial goals that align with your values. Track your spending diligently using a budgeting app or notebook. Delay gratification to avoid impulsive purchases. Reflect before making significant purchases. Ask yourself if it aligns with your budget and long-term goals. Celebrate your successes along the way. Acknowledge and reward yourself for achieving milestones. This positive reinforcement helps solidify good financial habits. Imagine a life where you open your bank app without anxiety. This sense of financial peace is one of the many benefits of a well-structured budget. Budgeting empowers you to achieve your financial goals. With a budget, you gain a clear understanding of your spending habits. This awareness allows you to identify areas of overspending. Budgeting reduces financial stress and anxiety, improving your overall well-being. While budgeting offers many benefits, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. For some, budgeting can feel restrictive and time-consuming. One potential drawback is the perception of deprivation. Budgeting requires discipline and consistency. Unexpected expenses can derail even the most carefully crafted budgets. When unforeseen events occur, it can be disheartening to see your budget thrown off course. Just as a skilled tailor adjusts a garment to fit perfectly, finding the right approach to budgeting is about customization and finding what works best for your unique circumstances, personality, and financial goals. It's not a one-size-fits-all solution, but rather a tailored plan that fits your lifestyle and financial situation. Think of budgeting as a personal journey. It requires understanding your spending habits, income, and financial aspirations. By customizing your budget, you can create a plan that aligns with your life and helps you achieve your goals. If the thought of tracking every penny fills you with dread, consider a more simplified approach. Not everyone enjoys the meticulous process of detailed expense tracking, and that's perfectly okay. Instead, focus on the bigger picture. Identify your major spending categories, such as housing, food, and entertainment, and set broad limits for each. This way, you can manage your finances without feeling overwhelmed by the details. By concentrating on your largest expenses, you can make significant progress in managing your money. This method provides a balance between control and flexibility, allowing you to adjust as needed without losing sight of your financial goals. Flexibility is key in any budgeting plan. Life is unpredictable, and your budget should be able to adapt to changes. Whether it's an unexpected expense or a change in income, having a flexible budget helps you stay on track. Embrace technology to streamline the budgeting process. Numerous budgeting apps and software programs automate expense tracking, provide personalized insights, and even offer goal-setting tools. These digital tools can make budgeting less time-consuming and more engaging. With the help of technology, you can easily monitor your spending, set financial goals, and receive reminders to stay on track. This can transform budgeting from a tedious task into an interactive and rewarding experience. These digital tools can make budgeting less time-consuming and more engaging. They offer a variety of features that cater to different needs, from basic expense tracking to advanced financial planning. Remember, budgeting is not about perfection. It's about progress. Celebrate your small wins and milestones along the way. Each step forward, no matter how small, brings you closer to your financial goals. Don't be discouraged if you slip up or encounter setbacks along the way. Financial journeys are rarely smooth, and it's normal to face challenges. The key is to learn from your experiences, adjust your approach as needed, and keep moving forward on your financial journey. The key is to learn from your experiences, adjust your approach as needed, and keep moving forward on your financial journey. Reflect on what works and what doesn't, and don't be afraid to make changes. Experiment with different budgeting methods until you find one that resonates with you. There are many approaches to budgeting, and it's important to find the one that fits your lifestyle and financial goals. Whether it's the 50/30/20 budget, the envelope system, or a hybrid approach, the most effective budget is the one you're most likely to stick with. Consistency is key to achieving financial stability and success. The most effective budget is the one you're most likely to stick with. Find a method that you enjoy and that makes sense for your financial situation. With the right approach, budgeting can become a positive and empowering part of your life. In the tapestry of life, our finances are the threads that weave together our dreams, aspirations, and daily experiences. Each thread represents a choice, a decision, a step towards the future we envision for ourselves and our loved ones. Just as a skilled weaver carefully selects and interlaces each thread to create a beautiful and durable fabric, so too must we approach our finances with mindfulness and intention. Every financial decision, no matter how small, contributes to the larger picture of our financial health and stability. This is where the enduring power of budgeting comes into play. Budgeting is not just about numbers. It's about creating a plan that aligns with our values and goals, ensuring that every dollar is spent with purpose. Throughout this exploration of budgeting, we've delved into its intricacies, uncovering its benefits and acknowledging its potential challenges. We've seen how a well-crafted budget can provide clarity and direction, helping us navigate the complexities of our financial lives. We've learned that a budget is not merely a tool for tracking income and expenses. It's a roadmap to financial freedom, a shield against uncertainty, and a testament to our commitment to living a life of purpose and intention. It empowers us to make informed decisions, prioritize our spending, and save for the future. In a world often characterized by instant gratification and a spend now, think later mentality, budgeting stands as a beacon of hope, reminding us that true wealth is not measured solely by the size of our bank accounts, but by the richness of our lives. It encourages us to think long-term, to plan for the future, and to appreciate the value of financial security. Remember, the journey to financial well-being is not a sprint. It's a marathon. It requires patience, perseverance, and a willingness to stay the course, even when the going gets tough. There will be hurdles along the way, unexpected expenses, market fluctuations, and the ever-present temptation to stray from our financial goals. But with a solid budget in place, we can face these challenges head-on, confident in our ability to stay on track and achieve our financial aspirations. Yet, armed with the knowledge and tools we've gained, we are better prepared to navigate the complexities of our financial lives. We can face these challenges with resilience and determination. Embrace budgeting not as a burden, but as an act of self-care, a gift you give yourself and your loved ones. Just as we nourish our bodies with healthy food and exercise, we must also nourish our financial well-being. Through mindful spending, saving, and investing, we can build a secure financial future. Remember, financial well-being is not about deprivation, It's about making conscious choices that align with our values. It's about prioritizing experiences over material possessions and finding joy in the simple things in life. As we conclude this exploration of budgeting, let us reflect on the journey we've undertaken. Let us carry with us the wisdom we've gained, the habits we've formed, and the commitment we've made to ourselves and our financial futures. Remember, the path to financial freedom is paved with conscious choices, disciplined actions, and the unwavering belief in our ability to create a brighter financial future. This journey is not just about numbers and budgets. It's about creating a life of security, peace, and happiness for ourselves and our loved ones. With every step we take, we move closer to financial freedom, ensuring a legacy of prosperity for generations to come.